Hey guys, Joshua Peterson with Peterson Electric. Second part of this video on why my smoke detectors are going off. If it's not the age and you haven't been hit by lightning or your neighbor, which you're probably not going to know that anyways unless you're home and you hear the bang, there is a probability that you should look at. If you've had any major remodeling in the house, construction, this right here, that dust on the top of that light bulb shows you how much sanding and drywall we've had. So quite a bit. That right there, the smoke detector will detect as smoke. It's not smart enough to know the difference of that. It can detect heat. It can detect CO2 if it has that option. But smoke is just a little eyeball in there that's seeing this. And every time that forced air furnace kicks on, that's what's going to cause that. Now, if you got a heated boiler system or baseboard electric heat or hydronic, it's not going to matter unless you have a lot of wind and dust in the area and you leave your windows open. But again, that right there, we could not figure out for the last month what the heck was going on, and I did not have a gut feeling that those things were failing that bad. Finally, what they detected was that their filter had not been changed in their furnace in forever. And that dust will do it. It's no different than your air filter on your car, and that's going to drop your mileage per hour. It's also going to affect the way that engine's breathing or choking, the EGR valve. I know in my Mercedes Sprinter van, if I don't have that cab filter changed as well as the outside engine filter changed, it'll automatically affect really quickly how that turbo is reacting on when we step on the gas. So keep in mind, again, that right there on that dust in the house, you may have to get your ducts cleaned or your furnace filter checked. That could be a weird issue that does affect the fact that your smokes and CO2s are going off, whether they're battery or wireless. All right, thanks guys.